Look at these monthly incomes. There are many channels that earn like this every month. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make money by using AI-generated videos on YouTube. If you've ever thought about starting your own channel and earning an income through video production, this is the perfect opportunity for you. So let's dive right in. Let's first take a look at some YouTube channels that produce videos without using faces and in different fields such as diet, science, knowledge, motivation, sports, and more. These channels are not only providing valuable content, but are also earning substantial monthly incomes from their video production. As you can see, the potential for making money through AI-generated videos is enormous. You can create these videos using AI. Now, let's explore how you can utilize AI to create your own YouTube channel. To get started, you'll need a good idea. Let's ask ChatGPT, the powerful AI content writer. ChatGPT can help you find a good YouTube video topic by using its knowledge to suggest popular or unique ideas based on your interests. Tell me some YouTube ideas that I can create videos with the help of an AI video generator online. It can also provide insights and research to ensure your chosen topic is relevant and engaging for your viewers. These are the results I got. Amazing. It is important to choose a subject you like. The topic I like is personal development and goal setting. That is one of the top YouTube ideas you can make money with. In this niche, you have to generate inspiring visuals, quotes, and success stories to encourage viewers to set goals, pursue their passions, and overcome challenges. After you choose your topic, now you'll need to create a YouTube channel. To create a channel, you should have a Google account. Log into YouTube with your Google account and click on this button. Now let's come up with a catchy name. Luckily, we have the perfect tool to help us with that. ChatGPT. Give me 50 name ideas for a YouTube channel about personal development and goal setting. You can ask anything from this amazing chatbot. Awesome. You can search for any name you like and see if there is another channel with this name. There is no problem, but in order for your channel name to be unique, pick a name. Now I choose this one, copy it from here and paste it here. In a few easy steps, you can complete the creation of your channel. We have our channel now. Now let's move on to creating a profile logo and channel banner. For this, we'll turn to Canva, an excellent AI-powered design tool that offers a wide range of templates and customization options. After logging in, search for YouTube channel logo. For this subject, I need something motivational. You can also use these templates. You can choose anything based on your taste. Even you can generate it with other free AI image generator tools that I introduce in other videos. Now I choose this image, and for design it into a circle, just add this image into a circle. And after the profile picture, I need a good and simple banner. I need a simple banner because I don't want a distracting banner. So I use my logo and a subscribe button with just some words. I think it can be a good one for this channel. As I said, you can spend more time and have better taste and choose a more beautiful design. Now upload the images here in these two sections. And great! Now that our channel looks fantastic, it's time to focus on creating engaging content. We'll rely on the assistance of ChatGPT once again to generate amazing scripts and ideas for our videos. I ask this: write a 500-word text about personal development in life. I use the free version of ChatGPT, but you can upgrade it and use it if you want the pro version. After a few seconds, you have your script in. If you like, you can change it and personalize it a little. Or even if there is a need to provide more explanations on a specific matter, just ask. You just have to copy it from here. Now that we have the script, it's time to bring it to life using an incredible AI-powered video creation tool. I put the link in the description. To use it, you have to sign up from here. Sign up with your Google account or fill out this form. When you sign in, you have these 4 parts here, which you have entered. Now here you have to paste your script. Add a title for your video here. If you want to add some highlight words, you can do it manually from here. In this section, you have some features that you can turn on or off. And about the third one, I choose both options always. It is for changing scenes. After the saved item appears here, click on this option to continue. Now in the next part, you have to choose the best video template based on your taste. You have too many options here that can cover every subject and kind of video here. Pay attention, but some of them can show the highlights, and some of them don't have this feature. Choose your favorite one, and choose the video size. You can create 3 different sizes of videos. I choose the normal YouTube video size for this. If you want to create short videos for your channel, choose this one. Your primary video is ready now. You just have to personalize it. Although you can download it right now, but it is better to personalize it a little and add value to it. For example, I will change the font size and its position, and click on this option to apply these changes on all slides. Another point here is that the video looping is a bit annoying. so I turn it off from this section and apply it to all slides by clicking on this option. Now you can review slides, and if a slide is not to your taste, you can change it from the visual section. You can search the image or video by typing what you want here, or just click on these words that are the slide's highlighted words. Then click on your desired footage, and it will change. Working with this AI tool is so easy and amazing. This AI tool offers a variety of powerful features which saves us time and effort. You can add background music to your video from this section. It has a large library of different moods and genres. Of course, this detects your script and selects automatically good music for that, but you can change it. And besides this, you have some voiceovers here for your video, female and male. Now I choose this voice for my video. I will play it at the end. You have too many options here to choose from. You can listen to all of them after signing in. The next thing maybe can be good for your video. Visual effects. The transition between slides. By clicking here, you can add transitions between each slide. As you can see, now I do this for some of these slides. And another good feature of Pictory is that you can add your channel logo from this section. It has too many options that you can work with it and find out by yourself. But if you want to know more about working with this AI, now after all customizations, you can download the video. Amazing. And now it's time to upload it to the channel. Here we need an eye-catching thumbnail. Let's head back to Canva to design a thumbnail that will grab the attention of potential viewers. Now I want to choose it from templates here to show you that you can use these templates too. As you can see, there are so many amazing templates that you can customize them and use them. Now I make this one for this video. Perfect. It's time to upload the thumbnail and publish our video to the channel. But wait, I don't have any description for this video, and one of the most important things to upload a video on YouTube is a good description. It's better to ask this from ChatGPT again, because it can solve the problem. Give me a short description for a YouTube video about the script above. It takes just a few seconds to get it. Great. Now copy it from here and paste it on YouTube. It seems that everything is okay. You can also add some tags based on your niches and video subject in the tags box. It can help you to be seen better. Now let's upload it without wasting time. And here it is. Listen to some parts of it.
In the journey of life, personal development serves as a compass that guides us towards self-discovery, growth, and fulfillment. It is a lifelong process that empowers individuals to unlock their full potential, embrace change, and they all serve as stepping stones towards our desired future. They motivate us to take action, overcome challenges.
As you see in this video, I made the whole channel and an amazing video with subtitles in less than 8 minutes. You can make 30 videos in just one day for a month, and in this way, you can have more than one channel to work on. And remember guys, creating a successful YouTube channel takes time and dedication. Everyone you see on YouTube is a winner in every niche he has tried and continued for a long time. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks to use AI and...